everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be focusing on adding 0. But before we get into some examples, let's go ahead and look at what 0 means. 0 is a number that represents none. And if you see over here, we have the number 0. So, if I say that I have 0 gummy bears, that means that I have none. I do not have any gummy bears when I say that I have 0 gummy bears. Okay, so something you definitely want to know about adding 0 is that when you add 0 to a number, the sum is going to be that number, okay? Same as when you add a number to 0, the answer is going to be that number, okay? So I have 5 plus 0 equals blank. My answer, or my sum, is going to be that number. So 5 plus 0 is 5, okay? These numbers are the same. Let's try another one. 0 plus 8 equals blank. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 8 was added to 0, so the answer is that same number, 8. So let's go ahead and look at this example. It says, Lucy has 8 stickers. Randy has 0 stickers. How many stickers do they have in all? Okay, so first I want to go back and see what I know. I know that Lucy has how many stickers? 8. Good. So I'm going to circle 8. Randy has 0 stickers. How many stickers? 0. Good. How many stickers do they have in all? Remember, I like to underline my question because it helps me to better focus on it. And I know from my past videos that in all means to add. Very good. So, 8 and 0 are our two parts. Let's go ahead and write those down. And when I see in all, I'm going to add. So 8 plus 0 equals what? It equals 8. Because when a number is added with 0, the answer is that number, okay? Let's go ahead and try another example. It says, Luke has 3 pens. Mark has 0 pens. How many pens do they have in all? Okay, so I know that Luke has 3 pens. Mark has 0 pens. How many pens do they have in all? Let's go ahead and circle in all with our addition sign because that's something we already know, right? So my two parts are 3 and 0. Let's go ahead and write that. 3 and 0. I'm going to add them. So 3 plus 0 equals 3 because when 0 is added to a number, the sum, which is the answer, is that number. So 3 is my answer to 3 plus 0. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an example in which the addition number sentence begins with 0, okay? It says, Jacob has 0 pets. Mandy has 4 pets. How many pets do they have in all? So my two parts are 0 pets and 4 pets, right? So I want to know how many pets they have in all. And I know that in all means to add. So let's go ahead and take 0 and 4 and write them where our parts go. 0, 4. And I'm going to add. So 0 plus 4 equals, now when 0 is the first number, the same rule applies. Even though 4 is being added to 0, the sum is still that number, okay? So I know that 0 plus 4 equals 4. So Lori has 0 markers. Isaac has 7 markers. How many markers do they have in all? Okay, so what do I already know? I know that Lori has how many markers? 0. Good. Isaac has how many? 7. How many markers do they have in all? So let's go ahead and underline that. I know that in all means to add. So I'm going to go ahead and take my two parts and write them down here. 0 and 7. I know that I'm going to add them because I see the words in all. So 0 plus 7 equals, what is that number being added to 0? 7. Very good. So I know that 7 is the sum because 7 is the number that was added to 0. Okay, kids, so remember, the big secret to adding 0 is that when you have a number plus 0, the answer is always going to be that number, okay? So make sure you always follow that. I hope this video helped you very much. Please make sure to like it and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.